Hi, today we're going to be doing mango panna cotta. I'm Chef Kunal Arolkar from Foodybreaks Academy, Goa, and you're going to be following this really simple recipe today. Let's get started. In today's recipe, we're going to use a pot and we're going to be adding all our ingredients into the pot one by one, mixing it together with the help of a spatula. Now I'm adding in the sugar, the cream and the milk, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to take it off the heat. While it's boiling, we're going to just bloom the gelatin, and once the gelatin blooms, we're going to melt it in the microwave for about 20 seconds to 25 seconds till it's nice and fluid like this. We add a little bit of the cream into the gelatin mix so that we don't have any lumps and strands, and then we add it back and fold it into the hot cream mix. Next step is to have an ice bath ready. In this ice bath, we're going to cool down the cream so that the temperature falls and the gelatin starts to set a little bit. And once the product is at room temperature, we're going to fold in the mango pulp. This is an Alfonso mango pulp that we're using. So it's always advisable to fold it in at room temperature and not when the cream is hot. Folding in the mango pulp when it's hot could curdle the mix. So we're going to avoid that. We're going to put it into the glasses using this liter jug so that we don't make a mess of the liquid pouring about. Once it's in these beautiful glasses, you can use any glasses, but once it's in these glasses, we're going to put them in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours or in the freezer for about an hour. The next step is to make the mango jelly ready. That's going to be a mixture of the neutral gel as well as the mango pulp. You could use mango pulp by itself if you don't want the sweetness of the jelly. And you need to make the piping bag ready with the whipped cream. And we're going to use a star nozzle in this case, but you could keep it plain as well. So the panna cotta is ready when it jiggles and it's firm. And you can also check it by just turning it upside down. It will stay firm as well. You can pipe cream in this manner so that you get a cavity in the center to pour the mango jelly, and you can just garnish the top with a little bit of pistachio. I mean, in terms of creativity, you can go crazy in terms of the garnishes. That's entirely your call. I would serve this right off the bat without any delay. Serve it cold, enjoy it cold, and if you want to conserve it, you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. Enjoy, happy baking. If you'd like to learn more about our baking courses, visit us online at foodybreaks.com/academy.